camper's called the Alaskan. And in 2005, he told us he bought the Alaskan camper. It's made in Washington State. Because it folds down. Everybody thinks it slides and does all this, but it folds. It actually folds down to where it's real low. And he bought the whole rig for $70,000 back in 2005. He told
That
us.
includes the truck and the bed with all the storage in
And
it.
that right there, it came set up like that. Everything. And what the company does, they have a deal. If you need a truck to go with it, they have a deal to get the truck at fleet cost. So he says when he did that through the company, it saved him like $6,000. I thought that was pretty cool to know that. But we just try to bring y'all different things, and this is one of those things that's very different that you don't see. He said they only make about 50 of these a year now.
Yeah, you have to order it.
Built to order. So they're not cheap, but boy, are they good, he said. Everything's thought out. You don't have to go in there and be tumbling over everything. And it comes with a tremendous warranty, too. The idea original for the concept of this, the history of this camper came from a carpenter. And his wife said, hey, you're hitting too much stuff. They went to Alaska on several trips. That's the history behind it. And he's a master carpenter. She says, well, I'm not going back to Alaska with you until you fix this camper so we don't run and hit tree limbs and stuff. You got to bring it down lower.
Yeah.
So he figured out how to make it foldable. So really cool. It's a good story.
Like a hat box.
Like a hat box is what this was told to us. The wife said, make it like a hat box so it folds down. And that's what he did.
It's pretty sweet.
Pretty cool. Very well made. Made in America, guys.
That's it. That's it.
And that's
Get them in Washington?
Washington State.
Oh, here he comes.
We'll give you the information.
Chehallis.
Chehalis, Washington. What a neat unit. What a neat unit. And I guess your diesel's still running good and strong?
Oh, it's got 110,000 miles. It's
It's getting broke in.
It just broke in.
That's right, man.
Yeah,
Just
we
getting
only
broke
use
in.
it for this. We only use it for camping.
So you leave Florida, come out here, no humidity, enjoy the winter.
Enjoy the summer.
Summer
here.
Summer here.
And then we go back and enjoy the winter in Florida.
Yeah, the winter in Florida. What is the weight of one of these things weigh?
It's
sure it's got wood and all in it.
Yeah.
And it's made built by a
camper
carpenter.
weighs a ton.
I bet it is.
And a ton wet, and probably not quite a ton wet, and probably a ton 3 dry. I mean dry, and then wet. It's about $500, $600, $700 pounds heavier. Saying the wrong words here.
2,000 pounds, 3, probably close to.
Yeah, I figure the whole thing's right at 10,000 pounds, maybe like the truck and the service bed and the
That's not bad though.
No,
that's not bad at
dual
all.
regular driver's license.
Yeah, 3,500. No special thing to deal with this.
No.
Some states people don't realize that you got to get your license changed, especially when you get up into the Class A's and all that.
Yeah, and I'm right at the limit.
Yeah,
I got the biggest pickup truck they make.
Yeah,
I got a big diesel.
Yeah,
and I got more diesel than I've got camper.
Yeah, that's us too.
Florida don't bother you until you get, I think it's past, I think it's 18,000. 18,000 pounds total.
Yeah. Well, I can stay right on my driver's license with this rig. So.
Yeah, I'm right at, with my trailer and truck together, I'm right at 15,000.
15,000.
Because my trailer's 7,000.
Well, the car is 4. So I weigh 14,000 going down the road.
Yeah. So you're still there. You're quite safe.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
But a lot of people don't realize they can actually in certain
with
states.
a diesel, it's just so easy.
Oh yeah.
I love my diesel.
You're coming up to next to just knock off the power. Time you get down to the stop sign, you're doing 35. You know, you brake from 35 rather than braking from.
Yeah, what a rig.
But I only do 60 on the road. That's it.
That's us
What the
too.
speed limit is, I do 60.
I do 62. That's my sets right there at 1,600 RPM to 62 miles an hour. Just let it pull.
Yeah.
Just pull.
This one stays there at about 1,800 RPM.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Kathy.
I'm Bobby.
Hi, Bobby.
Pleased to meet you.
I'm Sharon.
We're from Florida.
Florida this year.
No, they have that really neat blue and white rig right over there.
It looks
See?
like a retro camper.
It is a retro camper. It's a 70s.
Oh my god.
1970 Harley Ramblers.
Yeah, we got one like that too. It's a retro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is
we love it.
we love what you have here. This is a great rig. This is a great rig.
Yeah, it's worked out for us. It's old now already.
We went to Alaska with Alaskan. I told you that.
I'm gonna walk around,
We
okay?
did 5.5 months. You can look inside if you want.
So take a peek inside.
Oh, cool.
Open the door. It's all straight in there. I know these guys are so organized like we are.
Oh, shit, man.
We live in it.
Here we go, guys. Wow.
What part of Florida y'all from?
Amelia Island.
Oh, well, that's cool.
Yeah. Sweet. Wow. So, a bed and a bed. Does this fold up here?
Oh, it's a dinette.
Oh, this is a dinette?
Yeah, we
This is a
a
dinette.
table years ago because it weighs about 90 pounds,
Oh,
and we don't use it. We go to restaurants.
gotcha. Storage pantry.
That's a closet. This is a toilet.
This is a.
So you roll it out, you pivot it,
Oh,
and if you're tall like your husband, you wouldn't be able to use it.
that's cool as heck.
And
Yeah,
if
you gotta
if
be
you're
a
real
little
tall,
person.
You can lift this up, and then it would be heavier.
And y'all look at this. This is real wood.
Oh, yeah.
Real wood. Nice. Refrigerator. Works on. Oh, it's a.
It's all three.
Okay.
Electric, battery,
Cool.
whatever you want.
Sweet. Sweet. Big countertop up here. I love how it is. How the ceiling is. Fantastic fan, of course. Woohoo.
Yeah, a lot of those
like
the
it.
bins or the storage is like for hydraulics and stuff like that. So it's not all usable space, but there's enough for us. Some people complain.
I mean,
It's like,
shoot, you have plenty.
thing, you know.
I mean, really. Got a drawer stack here. Cabinets under the
This
sink.
would have been an oven, but we didn't see the need for one.
Very cool indeed, folks. See, cabinets up here at the top also. That's awesome. Awesome. Very cool. The thing is, this part here comes down, right?
Right. So when you see it on the gas station or something, you see
Right.
this and this window, and everybody's going. But when it's down, that window's right in front of this white thing.
It's pretty sweet and got a lot of storage. I love that part. And so this sits inside. The bed is specially made for this, right?
Right.
And so see that this part of the camper sits inside.
That falls, it goes that way.
See, lays down
Oh, it lays down that way.
towards the other.
Yeah, this whole front end folds.
The first one folds up, and see there's this little block here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, under
That's
the
what
block.
holds these two from shifting. And then there's these little slide locks,
A door lock.
like
the
on
side.
your screen
Oh,
door.
I
door
got you.
at home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Slide
yeah, I
out.
love the color of that inside, too. It's a light color wood.
Isn't it awesome?
Yeah.
Beautiful. How about that? Then that does that number. Then
So
this
this one does it. The one on the other side
does it. Then this one
Front
does it.
And see, it's
Then-
hinged. See where this is hinged down here?
I
This
got
one's
you.
hinged up there. That gives it the space for it to
Then
lay
this
down.
stays stationary here.
That stays stationary.
Then that
and
part
the bottom
comes-
stays stationary.
I got you.
And the top, see that metal edge up there?
Uh-huh. Comes down over.
Sits on that.
Sits on that. How about that?
That's pretty sweet.
The guy was a
it's
genius.
one roof.
And y'all see these bugs?
Can't leak.
They got them in Florida.
It's aluminum. That's even better.
Yeah, it's lightweight aluminum built on wood, of course, inside.
But look at the storage in this thing. Holy mackerel.
Wow. That's awesome.
The
You
front, the other side will hold a generator.
Oh, okay.
cool.
So I don't carry it anymore because I'm camping in a place that has power.
Right.
That's kind of your MO. You go where there's power.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, well, why not? You get the pass. It's so cheap.
It's ridiculous. I camp for about $6 a year, a day.
A day.
$6
Yeah.
a day. It costs me to camp. That's set up and power and showers and
you
everything.
can't beat
Just
it.
like home. And we bring a car, so we leave it here, leave this here, and drive the car.
I've been to a lot of states, but New Mexico,
There
their
is-
state park system
The
is
next state north is $35 a day.
that's up in Colorado.
A
or whatever.
day.
Yeah, a day.
And you can camp it.
Georgia's the same way.
And
Yeah.
Arizona's 25, I think.
They're 30 now.
They're 30.
We had to stay.
No annual passes.
Nope.
No any kind of a break on anything.
Nope.
And in Colorado's the same way. And that's why I camp down in New Mexico. Well, you get what you pay for. Thank you. You're right.
Yeah.
I don't
get
just
what we
camp.
pay.
I don't just camp a month a year because that's all. 30 times 30. That's $1,100 just to park your camper and stay in it. I mean, come on, and that's nonsense. You wouldn't pay it for rent in Florida,
Right.
let a house, with power and water.
Yeah.
But they think you're going to do it in Colorado. That's because it's Colorado where you can park in Sugar Eat Campground in Raton, New Mexico. It's about 20 miles from Colorado. The first town's Trinidad. And, food and anything you want. We use their laundry mat there. They got a good laundry mat. And so we go up there. And it's a 20-mile drive. What's the...
Yeah.
And I stay
a third of the cost.
I stay for $6 a day versus $36. I think that's a sixth of their cost.
Exactly.
I'm staying
Do the math.
12-13%, of what it
Right.
would cost me to stay in Colorado.
Right.
So I can stay the whole summer rather than stay a month.
Yeah.
And then you get to learn about New Mexico.
Yeah, New Mexico.
You stay at 10 different campgrounds and 10 different spots because they have an equal number in every quadrant of the state.
Right.
And so you can stay anywhere, really.
Yeah.
And